Let's try spicy Korean fish cake with me. In Korean winter street food, we love oden, right? But who are Koreans? We love spicy food. So I also made spicy oden today. It's really chewy and quite spicy. It's similar sauce with the tteokbokki sauce, so you can imagine the taste, right? Such a nice Korean winter snack. And I also put the udon noodle here. It's gonna be really good. It tastes like tteokbokki noodle. Tteokbokki sauce is a magic sauce. If you come to Korea in winter, please try our representative winter snack, oden.